Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Dreaming of earning money online but don't know where to start? You're not alone, and the good news is in 2025, there are more beginner-friendly online job opportunities than ever before. Whether you're a student, stay-at-home parent, or just looking to escape the 9-to-5, this guide will show you 10 real online jobs you can start with zero experience and actually get paid. Let's dive right in. 1. Virtual assistant. One of the easiest online jobs to break into is becoming a virtual assistant. As a VA, you'll help business owners and professionals manage daily tasks like answering emails, scheduling meetings, handling customer service, and managing social media. No specific qualifications are required, just good communication skills, organization, and a reliable internet connection. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are great places to land your first VA job. You can earn between $5 and $30 per hour, depending on your skills and tasks. 2. Social media manager. If you're always on Instagram, TikTok, or X, why not get paid for it? Many small businesses and influencers hire social media managers to help with content planning, scheduling, engagement, and growth. You'll need a basic understanding of algorithms, design tools like Canva, and content calendars. It's possible to manage multiple clients at once, earning between $200 and $1,000 plus per client monthly. 3. Selling digital products. You don't have to trade your time for money forever. Selling digital products like ebooks, resin templates, planners, or printables allows you to earn passive income. Once you create the product, you can sell it repeatedly on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or Payhip. No advanced skills needed. You can start with Canva and some creativity. Income varies widely, but even beginners can make $50 to $1,000 plus per month. 4. Content creation. Last but definitely not least, becoming a content creator. Whether it's YouTube videos, TikTok Reels, or Instagram carousels, content creation is one of the most lucrative ways to earn online today. You can make money through ad revenue, brand partnerships, affiliate links, and selling your own products or services. Start with what you have. Even your smartphone is enough. Focus on providing value, growing your audience, and being consistent. The income potential is massive, ranging from $100 a month to $10,000 plus for top creators. The truth is, you don't need to be an expert to start making money online in 2025. You just need the willingness to learn, take action, and start small. Pick one of these jobs that fits your interests and commit to trying it out for 30 days. Want help getting started? Follow WealthWise Academy for free guides, tutorials, and step-by-step strategies to turn your first online gig into real income. Don't just scroll, take action today. Because the best time to start was yesterday. The next best time is right now.